Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make chocolate cake without cocoa powder, then keep watching. You need 100 grams of dark chocolate. Chop it into smaller pieces. Melt it over boiling water. Add 50 grams of butter. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Stir it until completely melted. Once it has melted, remove it from the heat and let it cool. Add 2 eggs. Add 20 grams of sugar and mix well. Add the melted chocolate into it. Whisk, then add 30 grams of flour and half teaspoon of baking powder. So pour the mixture into a 6-inch pan lined with baking paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After baking the cake, let it cool, then pour chocolate sauce over it. I will leave the recipe for the chocolate sauce in the description. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you liked the video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.